Hello. I wanted to try something different. I want to make this a new series. And I had this idea. I think I said it in a previous video. But I kind of want to make it kind of ASMR-like. Just have me softly talking into the microphone here. And I have my good mic going, my camera. But I don't know if I'm gonna do this with a video or just pure audio and like have like a picture going. But I wanted to make a video, an audio video, talking about some of my dreams that I've had. And I've kept a dream diary. And I wanted to try and go through and just read some of my dreams. But hopefully you will enjoy this series. Yeah, it's another experiment, but it's an interesting experiment, and I want to give it a try. Okay, so let me see here. Find one I would like to. Okay. So here's one. The Red Furnace. Written circa 1998 to 2004 and 2009. This dream goes back pretty far. Years probably. About 10 or 12 years. I remember one in particular about this old timely style furnace, like from back in the 17 or 1800s. Anyways, strange as it may sound, I remember my first occurrence of this dream, where I was heading down towards a basement, and I could see through this hole in the floor. It's where I saw the furnace. My next experience of this dream took place in a rundown, dilapidated building. I think I had a few friends and family members there too. By the way, this part I dreamed up later in my life, about 3 or 4 years ago. I think, although I'm not certain. Back to the dream. We were walking down this basement, and it seemed more welcoming than the upstairs. Out in the center of the room was what looked like what was left of an abandoned mineshaft-like place. We went into this giant cylinder-shaped area, stairs leading back upward. As everything seemed to have morphed and misconstrued, as a dream would do. You know how dreams can morph and change, misconstrue, and seem to flip upside down. Things seemed to make less sense. As we walked up the stairs, we ended up on the roof all of a sudden. Randomly, as if magically, this tower popped up out of nowhere. It looked like an old medieval style cylinder shaped tower. As we went up the tower and entered, we ended up down underground again. I went through this hole in the ground. It seemed to head downward 50 feet or so. As I broke away old slabs of wood, I came across an old run-down, dilapidated wooden room. There were holes in the walls and cracks in the wood everywhere. I got to this place that looked as though it had been burnt or on fire at one time. The black scorched wood cracked and broke as I crawled through this tunnel. As I peeked through the holes, I saw what looked like an old furnace. Though it wasn't red, it appeared as if a gray charcoal color. Even though I was far away from it, it looked huge. I could hear my friends calling back to me, wondering what I found. I told them I found a furnace, and the dream ended. So that's just one of my many dreams that I had wrote down in this dream diary. I haven't been keeping record lately, but I kind of want to get back to it. Anyways, I'm not going to focus on the video in this one. In fact, I might do away with the video and just have a picture going, or a black screen. But I have music made of some of these dreams too, and I might have that in the background as I'm reading. You can also buy this music on my Bandcamp profile. Just search up Patches on Bandcamp. I will probably provide the link as well. But anyways, this was just something new that I wanted to do. Something that popped up in my head. Something that just seems like a really cool idea to me. I guess you could technically consider ASMR. But anyways, I hope that whoever's watching this, dear viewer or viewers, that you enjoyed this one. Please leave a comment and let me know your thoughts on this and whether I should make more of these. Because I find these interesting anyways. I find dreams fascinating. There's just something about dreams that they don't follow the natural order of the reality the waking reality we experience day in and day out. But anyways, I'm going to leave this video here. Like I said, I might make more of these, but that's dependent on how well these videos do. Like I said, I might make these part of ASMR. I might make these a separate playlist all by themselves. But I hope you enjoyed nonetheless. Enjoy my crazy dream stories. And I will see you in the next video. You have a good one.